Okay, so let's go over our weekly agenda. You will notice that the agenda looks a little bit different this week. That's because we go back to school Monday and Tuesday. You will also notice that we have part of our stuff in Chapter 3 and part of our stuff in Chapter 4. Please pay attention to that. So no matter if you are purple or silver day, you will take your Chapter 3 test. This is located in Chapter 3 folder, and it's the Chapter 3 assessment folder within that. Then you will upload your showing work page to the spot that's located in that folder, and I will show you that as well. Then, no matter if you are silver day or purple day, you will do your 4.1 and 4.2 notes. They're combined. Make sure that you answer the question slide. If you do not, then I cannot give you any points for the notes. If you are a silver day, then you will continue on to Big Ideas, and you will do your Big Ideas homework and submit your showing work form to Schoology. If you are in person, we will be doing the 4.2 and 4.1 homework in class. And so in class is when you will complete that, and then you will upload your stuff to your showing work page to Schoology. It's just a little bit different because we do have a bit of a different schedule because some of you are full distance learning and some of you aren't. So let's go to Chapter 3 folder. Within that Chapter 3 folder, you will see the Chapter 3 assessment. And here's your test and your showing work page. So this is where you'll upload that. Then you will go to your Chapter 4 folder. And here is where we have our 4.1 and 4.2 notes. You will complete that. Then you have your 4.1 and 4.2 showing work paper. This is where you will submit that. If you are a purple day, it will become live in class, and you will then submit it when you are done. If you are a silver day, then you will do this at home. And that's all we have for this week, so I'm going to let you go so that we can get started on that.